Nighttime leg cramps are a pretty common issue, especially for older adults. Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by a sudden cramp in your calf? That could be your body's way of telling you it's low on some key minerals, like magnesium and potassium. When your body lacks these minerals, your muscles can't relax properly, which leads to those unwanted cramps. So how can you reduce these cramps? One simple solution is to add more magnesium and potassium to your daily diet. And today, I'm going to share a lotus seed oatcake recipe that can help you naturally ease those muscle cramps. Today's recipe is super simple, with easy-to-find ingredients that are also incredibly nutritious. You'll need oats, lotus seeds, banana, and a few supporting spices. Let's get started. First, we prepare fresh lotus seeds. If you're using dried ones like I am, you'll need to soak them in hot water until they soften. Lotus seeds are not only a familiar ingredient in cooking, but they're also great for the health of older adults. They're rich in magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that help relax muscles and reduce the risk of cramps. In addition, lotus seeds promote deeper sleep and support blood circulation, which is especially helpful for those who often experience nighttime muscle cramps. Soak dried lotus seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Next, peel the banana and mash it until smooth. Do you often have muscle cramps during the night? Ripe bananas provide magnesium and vitamin B6. Magnesium helps relax the muscles, while vitamin B6 supports energy metabolism, helping the body function smoothly and reducing muscle cramps. Add the mashed bananas to a large bowl. Next, add the oats and mix well. After soaking, put the lotus seeds in a pot and cook for 10 minutes. My mom is 80 this year. She used to have frequent night cramps, but thanks to eating the right foods, the problem has improved a lot. When the lotus seeds are soft, blend them until smooth.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Enjoy your treat, and may this wonderful cake help reduce your leg cramps. See you in the next video.
That I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one?